Today we're going to go to the Space Museum, and the only way to get in free is to wear your Halloween costume. And I have an astronaut Halloween costume, and we're going to the Space Museum. There's my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're in Texas, Dallas, however you want to call it. And we're going to the Space Museum, and it is Halloween time. And my birthday's next weekend. And they say you may have some unexpected guests popping out at you. So you have to do a scavenger hunt. So basically you gotta go look for the people who are gonna jump out at you. We're at the museum and it looks amazing. And so it is also a space museum, and it is a air and space museum. So if that's how you want to call it. Like I said, they have unexpected guests. My dad took the wrong road, so we have to turn around somewhere. But it looks amazing. We're in Dallas now, I think, maybe. I think we're in Dallas. And it is so fun. Here, just take a look out the window. So awesome. There's the city. So yeah, here it is. There's some planes right there. I love it. I love it. So I'm at the Frontiers of Flight Museum in Dallas, Texas, and I'm going to show you. So we have the first rocket ship, that's the smallest. Second rocket ship, that's medium size. Third, kind of large. 4, larger. And 5, the medium. Okay. Then we have a capsule. Another capsule, some badges, another capsule on that. And over here, here's a huge rocket ship, a space uniform that has actually been worn. See that painting? Here's the lunar lands on the moon. Boots, a suit, little astronaut, and then a huge rocket ship, and then more posters, and here's the astronaut food that they eat in space. And then if you come over here, here's another astronaut suit. Apollo 7 capsule. These were the people who were alone in the capsule. So that's the Apollo 7 capsule. Over here, you won't believe, it's a little moon rock. So if you come over here, there's a moon rock. That's a moon rock right there, from the moon. You can see you can see the whiteness from the moon. And it's just basically like a little pebble. It's nothing big, but I'm going to read this. This is a portion of a lunar sample returned by Apollo 15 astronauts who traveled to the moon in July-August 1971. So this was brought back in 1971. It's kind of crazy to believe. So this is the Earth's, so this is a capsule coming back, which is probably from Apollo 7, which is right there. Then we have a rocket ship, sun, Earth, space shuttle, and rocket ship. So this is the plane that they decorated themselves. They put all the seats inside, off the door, seats where people can sit. There's the bathroom, I'm guessing. Papers, more seats, more bathrooms, and then more seats, the bathroom. This probably is where they telephone stuff. More seats, probably that's the bathroom. Then you go upstairs and then they have lounge area. That's just a room, I guess. Here's the pilot room where they can go. Maybe he's just one of those people who doesn't know. No, it's the people who are telling them what to do on the force. It's those people from the watchtower.
Have a good day, exit 676.
So I'm in a simulator, however what it's called, and it's got a lock button right up here. Don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lock button. And then here's the two windows to where you can see where you're going and everything. And then here's a seat for me, and then here's some wires that you can connect, and that's all for here. So this right here, like I said, has been in space. And honestly, when you sit in it, it feels like it's moving. So if you get out, there's no movement, no sound. But as you're in here, it sounds like you're flying through the clouds. So I already told you guys. And so it feels like you're through the clouds. It's basically, all right, so let's pretend we're in space. We're in space now. Ooh, wow, look at the galaxy. It's so nice. It's so lovely. Yeah, pretty nice. So, now that we're in space, it's so cool. I love it. Space is awesome. So let me show you something else. So right here is an engine where the fire comes out of. Here's the picture. Some history. And here's a picture. There's a picture. You sit in the seat and then it brings you down. Here's all the levers in the seat. If the fighter jet is about to crash, you pull a lever, and then you fall. It gets you out of the plane. Then you fall through, and then so kind of like this right here. This guy probably was in that seat.